Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm on a mission to visit all 54 countries on the beautiful continent of Africa.
Every story has a beginning, a middle, and an end. This is my beginning. I'm traveling around Africa at the sexy age of 59. Just me, my colorful backpack, and a dream to touch all 54 countries. But you know the crazy thing is I almost didn't do it. I thought maybe I'd miss my chance to backpack through Africa in my 20s and my 30s. I felt too old, damn sure too broke, and as though it was too late. Then I reminded myself, tomorrow isn't promised. Life doesn't wait, and neither should I. So I started out in Morocco, the country that changed everything for me, that ignited the curiosity to want to see all of Africa. The scent of mint tea, the call of prayer echoing through ancient Medinas, and the way the desert reaches endlessly, just like my curiosity. Then came Egypt, where I stood in front of pyramids I'd only seen in textbooks, and it hit me. This isn't just a trip. This is me finally living the life I dreamed about for decades. One step in the sand and I knew I was exactly where I was meant to be. Kenya pulled me in with the melodic sound of Swahili and the pulse that generated from Nairobi to the calm shores of Lamu, where time slows down and the tides teach you to breathe again. I found a sense of peace in Rwanda, a place that knows deep pain but radiates healing. There's a grace in how Rwandans have rebuilt, and it made me think, maybe we can all start over, no matter what we've been through. In Uganda, I felt wild and free. I made new friends, enjoyed new experiences, tasted new foods, and learned about the history and the culture of Uganda. From dancing in Buganda, watching waterfalls thunder at Sippy Falls, alone but never lonely. Then came Guinea-Bissau. Guinea-Bissau tested me. Where the rhythm is slower and the smiles are softer, most people can find it on a map, but I found it a little bit of clarity there, although I struggled with the language. The Gambia gave me music, healing waters, and deep laughter, and absolutely wonderful new friendships. Guinea tested me. Mountains, muddy roads, no comfort zone in sight. But from the peaks of Futajelin and to the villages of Duki, I found a strength I did not know that I had. In Liberia, I walked through history, past ruins, war scars, and rising hope. And I realized we are all more than the worst things that have happened to us. And Sierra Leone, although I only spent a short period of time in Sierra Leone, the beaches, the markets, the joy, the people, the blackness, the fire food. Sierra Leone. Each country is a page in this story I'm writing with my feet. And I'm here to tell you, even if you're over 50 and you're still waiting for the right time, stop waiting. The world is not off limits because of your age, your budget, or your fears. You don't have to do it like me, roughing it. You just have to start. So wherever you're watching from, whatever dream you're putting off, this is your sign. It's never too late to rewrite your story. Go out there and have a great adventure.